Hi everyone! How are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing fine. Di kayo samahan niyo po ako magluto tayo ng pizza. And ginamitan ko lang po siya 7 eggs. Whole eggs. Yan. Tapos, lagyan siya ng gatas. 2 cups of milk. Lagyan niyo po siya ng 2 cups na gatas. And then, I'm gonna add olive oil. Half cup of olive oil. But if you have coconut or any vegetable oil, okay din po yan. You can use any kind of oil for that. Or butter. Tapos, mix lang po siya na mabuti. Mix it up really good. Set aside. Itapin niyo po siya. Tapos, we're gonna work on the flour sa dough. Yung dough naman. Ayan. Gagamitan po natin siya ng organic po ito. So, you can use regular flour as well. So, that's 3. And then, baking soda. 2 tablespoons of baking soda. 3 cups of flour. 1 tablespoon of baking powder. And tablespoon or use half tablespoon of salt. Pag medyo maalat. Yan. And then, sugar. I'm gonna put 4 tablespoons of sugar. Tapos i-sift. That's another cup. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 cups of flour. And then later on, you can use another flour. Mamaya, lalagyan niyo pa po siya ng flour pagka minas niyo na siya, yung pagka sinet niyo na siya. Yan, mix up really good. Ay, haluin po siyang mabuti. And then add your liquid ingredients. Haluin mabuti. Tapos maglagay lang siya ng dent sa ilalim, sa gitna. Ayan. Tapos haluin. Pagtsaga lang po siya na haluin. Ayan. Mix it up really good. You can use water as well if you like water. But since we have so much milk, kaya ko siya ginamitan ng gatas. Instead of milk, it's up to you. Yan. Tapos yan yung sinasabi ko, add a little bit more of flour. And then, set your baking sheets. Yan, lagyan niyo siya ng liner. Ayan. Tapos, imasa, pagkatapos siyang imasa, i-form na yan sa baking sheets. Ayan. Tapos i-flatten nyo lang siya. You can use a roller if you like to use a roller. Kaya lang, gusto ko na yan eh. Madali lang naman siya. Yan. Madaling sumunod yan dahil malambot po yung dough. Yan. The dough is nice and smooth. Yan. And then, I'm gonna put some olive oil. You have to put your olive oil on evenly and then bake it at 380 for 8 minutes. 7 to 8 minutes. Now, these are basil. Ito po yung tinatawag na basil. Yan. Tapos, hugasan lang siya. And then this is tomato paste. Tomato paste po ito. Put as much as you like. And this is tomato sauce. Now you can buy your own tomato sauce in the store. Or you can make your own. This one is a store-bought tomato sauce. Buy your own favorite one. Bilhin niyo po sa palengke yung pinaka-paborito mo na sauce. Yan. Tapos, I use soft cheese. Mozzarella is really good on pizza. But this one is okay. It's just so-so, but it's alright. Yan. Tapos, lagay nyo na din yung basil. Add your basil and soft cheese. Mozzarella is better. Mozzarella cheese. Or sharp cheddar. But that one is okay too. Yan. Then add your Feta cheese and what do you call this? Artichokes hearts. And these are pickled artichokes, by the way. But you can use the regular one, the uncooked ones or the fresh ones. And then add your feta cheese, as I said earlier. Yan. Yan. Put as much as you like. Dagdagan niyo po kung gusto niyo. Yan. Then bake at 380 degrees. Yan. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and bake it at 380 degrees for 5 minutes. Yan. Ito na siya. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Have a great day. Yeah, that one doesn't have the feta cheese. The other one, it has it. Yeah. Bye. Thank you.